Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm going to give you an overview on the Hearthstone Homestead Soapstone and Cast Iron EPA wood stove. So Hearthstone makes some of my favorite EPA-approved wood stoves. I just love the styling aesthetics of this particular stove. So as you can tell, they're very traditional. It is a solid cast iron frame and a full soapstone stove. So when you open up the firebox, actually inside, you can see it is full soapstone. Now the glass door is fully gasketed, so this is completely an airtight stove. You have a very nice large firebox in this particular model, so you can very easily get an overnight burn time. Now this model is the hearth mount model. So the flue collar that comes on the back of the stove is reversible. It can be a direct rear vent out the back, or it can be reversed to be a top vent stove. So the hearth mount model is designed primarily to fit inside of a masonry application. It could also be used as a freestanding stove, assuming that you meet the proper clearances. Inside the firebox of the Hearthstone Homestead Woodstove, a few questions I get is, what is this material right here? So this does come standard from the factory that way. It is a full refractory cement. It's used to seal the gaps between the soapstone panels on the stove. So primarily the firebox is soapstone sides, soapstone bottom with a grate, and you do have fire brick on the rear. Now this stove is an EPA style stove with the reburn system at the top. The grate does move, and you do have an ash pan located directly below the firebox. Hearthstone does an excellent job with the detailing of the stove. You can see a lot of attention to detail here on the cast iron trim. The soapstone color on the stoves is always going to be this bluish gray color. You can get the trim in various colors. They do have an enamel brown that looks quite nice as well. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and click subscribe.